How to log in Venmo account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Start by opening your preferred browser. Navigate to search bar and type in venmo.com. Now press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on official interface of Venmo. To sign in into your account, select the login button at top right corner of your screen. Then after that, you will reach on the login interface of Venmo, where you simply need to enter your email or username instead of your mobile number. So let's enter the username and click on next button. Now you have to enter your password. In case you forget the password, click on forget password link underneath the field and then click on the login button. After that, you will successfully log into your Venmo account. In case if you haven't created the account, you can click on sign up and create one. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.